So Ruth is trauma informed, and so the responses come back in a sensitive, empathetic manner. I'm sorry you're going through this. Also checking in, are you in a safe place? Are your devices compromised? Do you think they might be? Things like that. So it directs you in a way where it's saying like your safety is important, right? So like, how are we going to deal with this situation? And I think that that's really, really important, as opposed to as we were contrasting it with the kind of standard LLMs that are just kind of dry output. The other side of that is that there's a lot of pushback on empathetic AI right now too. Okay, so empathetic AI and the ones that are kind of pretending to be human can also be very problematic. And so Ruth is not that either. Okay, Ruth is very clear that they're providing sensitive responses, making sure they're checking in with your safety and all of that. But also at the same time, I'm still an AI. I'm not a human being. And then on top of that, yeah, acts like an advocate, like a therapist, kind of plays this role, has some of this functionality. But the best thing that I've seen, the use case, advocates, victim service professionals that I've given this to Ruth to use, it absolutely supercharges their work. 100%. Like the combination of human and Ruth is like the best combination for this. And I'm saying because advocates are trained in mental health, they are not trained in digital safety planning. You know? So being able to give them a tool so that they can sit down and do a case plan with the survivors that they're working with, and a safety plan with them on how to be physically safe and all of this stuff, and they can use this tool to come up with, "Here's the step by step. How do we take care of this, device that you have that's compromised? What do we do about this? How do you make sure you're not being" like, and just a kind of instructions on how to do each one of those steps, it absolutely supercharges their work. They're over the top. Once you introduce this to the people that are out there kind of intersecting in this world where they see these harms happening to people or they're experiencing them, they are so like jazzed about what we've built that they're automatically introducing it to their whole team.